You ran a survey. Within minutes, LogRatio transforms your survey data into a professional report, like those provided by specialized market research agencies. Follow these few rules to make sure your data has the correct format. Save the survey data in a CSV or Excel file. Most survey software can export data this way. The file must have one sheet only, and the data must be in table format. Each row contains all answers of a single respondent. Each column contains all respondents' answers to one question. Remove useless columns of data. The first row hosts the question text. LogRatio detects 3 types of questions. Closed questions with a single answer occupy a single column. The question text is in the first row. The respondent answers follow the same column. The answer scale is categorical. It's a good habit to keep question text and answer labels short, unique, meaningful, and free of typos. The answers to open-ended questions are also stored in one column, with the question text in the first row. Each open answer is stored in one cell, no matter how long the text is. Closed questions with multiple answers. The third type of question LogRatio can recognize occupy as many columns as there are answer options. Each answer option is in one column. Each column hosts one answer label only. This question type requires 2 rows of tiles. The first row hosts the question text, and the second row contains the answer options. If your survey includes this type of question, the other types of questions, closed with a single answer and open-ended, must also use 2 rows, repeating the same question in both rows. When your survey data is ready, upload the file to LogRatio. In minutes, you'll receive a professional survey report. If your survey is important, try LogRatio. Survey reports like traditional market research agencies do, only faster, cheaper, and better.